of my heart. I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Hello guys, game picture you guys. Welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are gonna be opening a lot of lucky chests, guys, as you can see in the corner. Right there. I have 23 gems, and I've been collecting them. So yeah, I hope we get a good gun or something good, guys, because I got the spark shark. I think that's what it's called, but like I got it from this chest. That was so amazing, guys. I've never gotten anything like that. My brother, he gets like, oh my god, my brother he's so lucky, guys. He got 50 gems. Like, first time he got it, and like he had 104. That was so, like, I told him, how do you do that? And he told me, like, he's got it randomly, guys. So he's not like that big, but he's like small. So oh my god, guys, we keep getting the gems, guys. Hope we get something, guys. And we have 14 subscribers, guys. I'm like, this is like so cool for me, cause 14 is a big number for me, guys. When I started, I thought I was only gonna have like 2. Like right now, I have a lot. So yeah, thank you for subscribing to me, and yeah, gems, guys. I do not know how long this video is gonna take, guys, but I know for sure that we're gonna take a long time. Alright, 5 coins. That's good. Anything helps. We got a mask, guys. Hit me mask. It's freaking annoying when there's like you're a level 5. No, right now I'm a level 6. Yeah, I'm a level 6, and I like every time I go to battle, there's always like a level 30, a level 20, or a level 10 or something down here, but I don't know how, guys. That's up. Alright, so we have 2 more skins. Oh my god, these useless skins, guys. I don't even know what the fuck that was. Alright, so we're gonna get more. Alright, we got 3 more. That's helpful. We're almost at 100. We almost have 100 coins. Oh my god, I couldn't say it. Stormtrooper. Yeah. Yes, guys, we got 10 coins, so now we have 101, guys. And I don't know what to buy right now, guys. So what to buy, guys? Okay, I just keep this one. Like, I'm about to be level 7. So should I take this one, or should I just buy a So I think this is gonna be the wrap of the video, guys. Wait, no, I'm just gonna give you a little gameplay. Wait, let me just go ahead and put it over here. Spark shark, yeah, spark shark. That's what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a small little gameplay. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this.